Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So for this video, I'm going to be using press-on nails, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to transform these in a matter of under 10 minutes. And people always ask me all the time, like, does it really take that long to use this product? And the answer is yes. So I started the timer. I did not stop it. Trust me. I'm just going to show you guys how long this whole process really takes. So first thing first, I'm just opening up this package of nails that I purchased from Shein. I absolutely love Shein press-on nails. You really get the most bang for your buck by purchasing the press-ons from Shein, and they have some really good high quality press-ons. It's hit or miss because there's not too many comments and stuff on the press-on nails because there's just so many different styles. But I've come across some really great high quality press-ons and I absolutely love them to shop. So I'm just going in now and sizing my nails out before I begin applying with the solid nail tip glue gel. And this is just going to help speed up the process even more. The great thing about Shein press-ons is that they usually come with an array of different sizes. So if you have maybe wider thumbs or smaller nail beds, there typically comes with like 14 different shapes. So you're definitely sure to find the shape that fits best for your nail. Now for application, we'll be using the solid nail tip glue gel, and this is available for purchase in my Etsy shop. I'll be sure to have the link to it down below. It is selling out so fast though, and I apologize. It probably won't come back in stock until the end of February, but you guys absolutely love this product, and I'm so happy you love it just as much as I do, because since adapting this product to my nail routine, it truly has made the process so much faster. So as you can see here, all I'm doing is going in and scooping out a pea-sized amount and then just applying it to my nail. You just want to make sure that you don't get too much excess glue gel on the cuticles or like around the nail bed. If it oozes out on the sides or around the cuticles, you do want to make sure that you remove that before curing. I never really show my lamp, but I do use a MelodySusie UV LED lamp. It's a 2-in-1 actually that it is available for purchase on Amazon, but it's a nail drill and lamp. And I like it because I have a small space, so it helps, eliminate having two different products on my nail desk. So it's a really high wattage lamp. So I do recommend having a nice high quality lamp. Especially when doing press-ons. As you can see, the main thing with press-ons and doing this method is you want to make sure there's some translucent parts towards the base. You can't do this method with a full coverage, like a full black press-on nail. It just won't work. There has to be some type of translucent part to it that the light can seep through. So as you can see, I just finished applying all 5 nails, and we're only 4 minutes and 36 seconds into this process. Super duper fast. So I went ahead, cured, and I didn't pause the timer for cure times or any of that. But I am going in now and just kind of slightly trimming up and filing down the nails. And this part is really quick because the nails are already pre-shaped for you, but this specific nail file is an 80/80 grit nail file. This is by Amazon, and the link to this will also be down below. If you did happen to get any excess solid glue gel around the cuticles though, that's where I go on with the cuticle clippers, because it's just easier to clip them away that way. Alright, so these nails obviously have charms on them, so I'm gonna use a top coat and kind of go around it. But this top coat I'm using is by Model Ones, and it's also available for purchase on Amazon. My storefront, everything will be down below in the description. But I'm telling you guys, this process is super quick and easy. This is a regular top coat. This is not a no wipe top coat. And you can see a little method I do here is I go in and I swipe the sides just to help eliminate the bulkiness. And here's the final nail look. Looks like you stepped fresh out of the salon, and it literally only took 10 minutes to complete. So this is one set. This is one hand. I will give you guys that. So let's just double it and say it takes 20 minutes, but probably won't even take that long. So this is super fast and easy. You're not stepping into a nail salon and walking out with a set like this in 20 minutes. So if you're in a bind, if you're in a rush and you have extra 20 minutes, this is definitely the method that I recommend. The last and final step is cuticle oil. I definitely do recommend purchasing and investing in a high quality, ultra hydrating cuticle oil. But here's the final look. It's super cute, and like I said, Shein has a ton of amazing nail designs. This is not sponsored. I just personally love their press-on nails. Like I said though, you do want to make sure you're shooting for a press-on with a translucent kind of base, because if you don't do that, then this method won't work. Alrighty, well, if you guys enjoyed, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!